at the full house's house.
House? How
Here in
full is
San
the house?
Francisco.
Is this it? Oh, holy crap. Look at that, guys. Welcome to San Jose. So the car just got broken into. I'll show the cell phone clips, but I already cleaned everything out. But you can hear the glass. We shut the door. Luckily didn't take anything, but I saw this rig, so I wanted to park next to it. It's an older SR5. Got rooftop tent, awning. Pretty good overlanding setup. I dig it. It looks like he also has a little thing for a shower. Looks pretty badass. Next to the FJ. So, just like me, has a little solar panel on the front. Yeah, it has a go fast camper. Pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, well, we're gonna go get some coffee now. Huh, this place is pretty cute.
I don't want anything.
You don't want anything?
No, I don't drink coffee.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Oh no, the guy left. Yeah, we went to Crema over someplace in San Jose. Very interesting morning. Car got smashed, nothing broken into. We're gonna have a guy come the next 2 hours to come repair it. He said he'll come to us for 180 bucks. Not too terrible. Can definitely find it cheaper in Dallas area, but it is what it is. We don't have to hook up here. We're just gonna drink some coffee. I'll wait around for the guy because I don't feel comfortable leaving my car unattended with the window down with a lot of stuff in it. So let's do this.
Cool.
Cool. One. Sounds good. All right, guys. So we have Carlos right now helping us out. He's a mobile installer. Glad he was able to get me in the same day. Called a few places. It was kind of hard to find people, and other places said like 5-6 hour wait if I were to go to them. So yeah, came in clutch. Well, it's only waited about 2 hours, so not too bad. As he does his magic, I'm gonna keep editing right here. So right now, 12:56. Let's time Carlos to see how long it takes him. Carlos is even vacuuming. I know a lot of installers don't do that. And while he does that, I continue to work on this stuff for you guys. Dang, already got the window in. And it's only been 13 minutes. I can't really focus on my time for some reason, but it says 1:08. Dang man, you're quick.
Easy one.
Yeah. That was just shy under 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Hopefully this doesn't happen again.
Hopefully it doesn't happen, yeah.
Sweet. Look at that. Going clutch. See, bro.
Cool.
Definitely appreciate everything.
Thank you. Take care.
All right, just like that, Carlos came in clutch, and now we're good to go. But right now, I'm gonna add the weather tech back in. So, got this thing. Let's check this one more time. Roll this up. Cool. And then let's double check to see if we hear any glass. Oh, well, that kind of ruined our plans a little bit for today. We were supposed to go to Santa Cruz. We might still do it because it's less than an hour away. But we kind of, I mean, technically we're supposed to leave around noon. It's 1:22. So we can still go and just make a half day out of it. I'm glad I got that out of the way. Been quite a morning. We just pulled over the side of the road because I could barely stop. These roads are extremely twisty, but I don't know if we can get it on camera, but that is smoking. So, damn. I hope no one comes down that road, but smell it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, worst comes to worst, we got the Grom. Now the question is, how long do we wait?
10 minutes.
5 minutes?
5 minutes? 5 minutes. They're already cool.
Throw some water in it, warp the brakes. You wanna do that?
Oh, is that scary?
Yeah, that'll warp it like crazy. So we'll let this baby cool down a little bit. We'll let all the cars wonder what we're doing on the side of the road. And hopefully no one comes down from that way, because that's a pretty steep incline, and hopefully their brakes work too.
Yeah.
Let's try this again. Right there. Safety. All right, we got 4 miles left. Let's do this. Oh, got a car coming. I think we're in the clear, but I'm gonna try to not touch my brakes so much now. I'm gonna start to pay attention to the road now. Interesting. 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 Very, very interesting. I don't know what's going on. Alright, so what do we want to do? We'll go check out the gift shop. Or do you want to see if we can do the tour?
Yeah, so we catch the previous thing. If not, then we'll sit around and drink.
Okay. I think we have to go. Let's check over there.
It's kind of like gravitational anomalies. Like they show you like water going uphill, like people walking downhill, like taller, weird stuff like that.
Okay.
It's hard to explain, but
So it's about a 2-hour wait right now, so we're gonna be back. Santa Cruz apparently is about 8 minutes away. We'll grab a beer at Santa Cruz, maybe the boardwalk, and then we'll make our way back here, and then probably after that, back to San Jose. That makes about sense. So these trees remind me of the Sequoia National, how straight they are. Back to the FJ, and it looks like nobody broke into the window again. That's gonna be an ongoing joke now, unfortunately.
Welcome to Mystery Spot. My name is Braden, and I'll be your tour guide today. How y'all feeling?
Good.
Pretty good.
Question, have any of you been here before? You have. How long ago?
Huh?
How long ago?
A long time ago.
Long time ago. All right. Well, I think you'll be very happy to know nothing has changed. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of history behind this here mystery. If you don't want to listen to me, go ahead and read that board right there. A lot of people looked. Very rude.
Yeah.
3 strange things on their way up. First thing they noticed was that the hill was much harder to climb up than it should have been. Second thing he noticed was that the compasses were all flipped around. Like north was facing south and east was facing west. Congratulations, all of you answered correctly. Graduated 2nd grade. The third and final thing they noticed was that this is all happening in a big circle going up that way, all the way around behind that cabin there, down this way in between these 2 trees, down between these 2 blocks here. They called it the mystery
Spot.
circle. Now these 2x4s are completely level. To prove that, I use this level here. Making my life easy.
Alright.
Now can I get you to just stand on these 2 pieces of wood?
I know I can't observe.
Perfect.
I'm sure they're gonna ask again.
Now you can see, you're around the same height, you're just a little bit taller. Love the hat. Switch places. You'll see. You've shrunk.
Yeah.
That is weird.
Very sorry.
What did
Now
you
these
do?
effects are permanent. Alright, if you want to go back to your original height, there's milk in the gift store. Give them a round of applause.
Appreciate it.
So fun.
Alright, we need at least 2 more people.
We're about the same height, actually.
We're actually like really, really close.
Yeah.
But he was obviously
These
taller on that side.
Come here.
Was I taller on that side?
I'm not sure, but I definitely was looking down at you.
You were not looking down.
See here,
Alright,
once you
don't
get
say
here
that.
around the- You've
Wow.
shrunk.
Yeah, you see that?
Like a
Yeah.
lot.
Very sorry.
Wow, that one was actually
That was
drastic.
pretty
Give a round of
drastic.
applause.
Yay! I'm ready for you to try this. All right, ready?
I'm gonna try this.
You have a level?
Yeah, she's got a lever off the phone.
Zero.
Oh!
There you go.
All right, fair enough.
Yep. It is zero.
Nice.
Right down here.
Oh, it's off. -2.
Well, over there.
0.
Huh.
0, and then that should be -2 then over there too. Wow, that's pretty crazy.
See how like middle it actually is.
Yeah.
It says it's level. Oh yeah.
All right. Well, they didn't juke us, I guess. We are told to take a selfie right now, so we're taking a selfie.
Has anyone noticed anything strange about me right now? Please be nice. It's been a hard week.
You're Eileen.
I'm leaning, right?
Eileen.
If you put your feet together and look down, you'll see they aren't exactly underneath you. They have you out to the left a little bit. I'm behind you, right in front of you. Now you can do some very cool things here. If you all turn and face down the hill.
Oh, nice.
Look down, you'll see your feet are much farther out in front of you than they should be, right? I know a gentleman coming here a couple tours ago. So this was the first time he'd seen his feet since Nixon was in office. So they're changing lives out here. Now if you all turn and face up the hill. Look down, you'll see magically your feet have disappeared. Just like my father. Take my ball once again, put it on the board, let go. You'll see, rolls out of the cabin. Alright. Now, some of you may think this ball is rigged, right? No. It have magnets, batteries, very well trained hamster. So what I'll do, I'll take out something you can all trust. Water. Now if I take my water, pour it out right here, you'll see, comes out of the cabin.
What? Can I do it again? I didn't see it. What happened?
Jeremy, are you bamboozled? A little bamboozled.
You guys ready?
You know, close your eyes. Do it with your eyes closed. It's totally different. You can.
Oh, let's try it without it.
Yeah. See how heavy that is? Yeah. Okay, now close your eyes. Okay, hold on.
Oh, it actually seems the same.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
That is weird.
That's very sweet. It's a new way to work out.
Oh, it is. Hey, just under that.
Oh. All right. Whoa. Honestly, all we're doing is we're just on the hill right now. Thank you, Brayden. Appreciate it.
I want to find something.
Well, you good? Happy? Satisfied?
I'm satisfied.
Satisfied? You got your mystery too?
My mystery spot.
Well, goodbye, everybody.
Go down the easier hill than it should be.
Let's go. Now, time to get some sushi. We're now exiting the mystery spot. Oh, so was it better the second time?
Oh, it was different. Yeah.
All right. So you still enjoyed it?
I did it.
All right. Fair enough.
I did enjoy it. You enjoy it?
Yeah, we really enjoyed it a lot. Maybe we'll come back in 10 years. We'll see. All right.
Hey,
Nice meeting y'all. It's beautiful. All right. So we just wrapped up a photo shoot over here. It looked amazing. So, this place is beautiful.